Today, we'll teach you how to build a concrete countertop with TechMix Premium Concrete Countertop Mix. TechMix Premium Concrete Countertop Mix is a fast-setting, high-strength mix specially formulated to create countertops, outdoor kitchen tops, tabletops, workbenches, and utility tops. It is intended for reverse cast applications using melamine-coated particle board. This video will cover the reverse cast application process. Please refer to the technical data sheet on tccmaterials.com for information on cast-in-place applications. First, you will need to build a form to make your countertop. Using 3/4 inch melamine-coated particle boards, cut strips for the sides of the forms, also known as the side panels, to match the desired countertop thickness. With the drill bit, drill guide holes on the side panels from the top down to attach the side panels to the bottom form panel. Use screws that are a 1/2 inch longer than the side panel for this step. Drill holes and apply screws every 6 to 8 inches around the perimeter. Once your form is assembled, add silicone caulk vertically to the corners where the side panels meet each other and horizontally where the side panels meet the bottom form panel. The color of the caulk does not matter. Using a finger or a radiused smoothing tool, smooth the caulk in all corners horizontally and vertically. This will provide slightly radiused edges and help hold the form together. Allow the caulk to dry before pouring the TechMix Premium Concrete Countertop Mix into the form. In many concrete countertop applications, it's recommended to use welded steel wire mesh and/or 3/8 to 1/2 inch steel reinforcement bar for added strength and durability. If you decide to use both reinforcement materials, use wire ties and attach the rebar to the welded lath. Suspend the welded wire mesh, reinforcement bar, or the reinforcement assembly near the middle of the form vertically with wire ties attached to the side panels using screws. It is recommended to place painter's tape over the screw heads to be able to disassemble your form more easily at the end of your project, avoiding getting the mixture into the screw heads. Now, onto the mixing process. Premium Concrete Countertop Mix comes in gray and white colors. If you want more color options, add a Kona concrete and mortar color to the mix. The instructions and mixing ratios are the same for both color products, but the thickness or fluidity of that mix may vary. Mix each 50-pound bag of premium concrete countertop mix in a 5-gallon bucket or mortar mixer. Use 5½ pints of clean potable water and mix the material for 3 minutes. After mixing for 3 minutes, let the product sit for 2 minutes. Use a timer to monitor this process. Finally, mix the product for another 2 minutes until it is flowable and a smooth consistency. Once the mixing process is complete, fill the countertop form with the mixture, ensuring it fills in around any reinforcement. Knead the material with a trowel to ensure it is evenly spread throughout the mold. This also helps eliminate air holes. Gloves should be worn throughout this process. Once the form is filled, vibrate it by tapping the form with a rubber mallet or hammer around all the edges or using a palm sander without any paper on it. This is a crucial step to minimize pinholes in the countertop surface. If needed, screed the excess material away. A wood 2x4 slightly longer than the width of the form works well. The mix will begin to set within 1 hour. If you added a wire mesh, now is the time to snip off the wire ties holding the mesh. Cover the countertop mix with plastic and allow it to cure for 18 to 24 hours in dry conditions. Once 18 to 24 hours have passed, remove the plastic from the countertop surface and remove all the screws holding the form together. The countertop is still fragile, so be careful when removing forms. If necessary, use a small wooden shims to help remove the side panels of the form. Finally, gently remove the bottom of the base. Using caution, lay the top down on a smooth, flat surface. Use a sanding block to smooth all the edges and remove any imperfections and defects if needed. Once dry, the countertop surface can be wet, polished, cleaned, and sealed depending on the desired appearance. If pinholes are present, use a non-sanded patch to fill any pinholes and touch up imperfections or defects along the edges before finishing. For more information on this product, including extended instructions, the safety data sheet, and where to buy can be found on tccmaterials.com. Thanks for watching and best of luck with your project.